Hey, what's up?
Not much, just hanging out.
How's it going?
Pretty good, how about you?
Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Where have you been?
Just busy with work and stuff.
You look tired.
I didn't sleep much last night.
Wanna grab some coffee?
Sure, I could use some coffee.
How was your weekend?
It was awesome. How about yours?
What did you do yesterday?
Just stayed home and watched a movie.
You free tonight?
Yeah, I'm free. What's up?
Let's go for a walk.
Sounds good, let's do it.
How's your family doing?
They're all doing great, thanks.
Did you eat lunch yet?
Not yet, I'm about to.
Can you help me with this?
Of course, what do you need?
What are you watching?
Just a show on Netflix.
You look amazing today.
Thanks. You look great too.
I love your outfit.
Really? I just got it yesterday.
What time is it?
It's almost 3 o'clock.
Where are you headed?
Just heading to the store.
How was your trip?
It was fantastic, I loved it.
I missed you.
I missed you too.
What's that smell?
Oh, that's my new perfume.
Did you finish the report?
Yeah, I turned it in this morning.
How's your new job?
It's going really well so far.
Wanna join us for dinner?
Sure, I'd love to.
Are you busy right now?
Kind of, but what do you need?
I'm so hungry.
Let's grab something to eat then.
You look stressed.
Yeah, I've got a lot on my mind.
How was the movie?
It was okay, not the best though.
Wanna go shopping?
Sure, let's go.
What's your plan for today?
Not much, just errands.
Can I borrow your pen?
Yeah, here you go.
What's the weather like?
It's super hot outside.
Did you call your mom?
Yeah, she said she's fine.
I can't believe it's Friday already.
I know, this week flew by.
You coming to the party?
Of course, wouldn't miss it.
Do you like spicy food?
I love it. Can't get enough.
Let's take a selfie.
Yeah, let's do it.
Are you feeling okay? I'm so bored.
A little tired, but fine.
Do you have any plans tomorrow?
Not really, I might just chill.
How did your interview go?
It went great, thanks for asking.
Where do you work?
I work at a tech company downtown.
Can you believe this weather?
I know, it's so weird.
Did you hear the news?
Yeah, unbelievable, right?
How's your day so far?
So far, so good.
What's your favorite food?
Definitely pizza.
That's hilarious.
I know, right?
You ready to go?
Yup, ready when you are.
Is it raining outside?
Yeah, it's pouring out there.
You seem happy today.
Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good.
Did you do your homework?
Yeah, I finished it already.
What are you reading?
A mystery novel, it's so good.
You drive really fast.
I like driving fast, it's fun.
I'm freezing.
Me too, it's freezing.
Have you met my friend?
Not yet, introduce me.
What do you do for fun?
I love hiking and painting.
Can you keep a secret?
Yeah, promise I won't tell anyone.
Don't be late.
I won't, don't worry.
That's so sweet of you.
Ah, thank you so much.
Are you kidding me?
Nope, I'm serious.
I can't believe this.
Believe it, it happened.
You look familiar.
Really? You look familiar too.
How's your new phone?
It's awesome, super smooth.
What are you cooking?
Pasta with veggies.
You sing really well.
Thanks. I practice a lot.
Who's your favorite actor?
Definitely Leonardo DiCaprio.
You're so funny.
Thanks, I try.
I'm feeling lazy today.
Same, I don't feel like doing anything.
Did you water the plants?
Oh no. I'll do it now.
Are you ready for tomorrow?
Almost, just finishing up.
What's for dinner?
Pasta, maybe.
Can I come with you?
Of course. Let's go together.
That was amazing.
Totally, it blew my mind.
I forgot my keys.
Again. You always do that.
Where's my phone?
Yeah, crazy right?
You're always late.
Around 7 a.m. usually.
Did you see that?
Coffee all the way.